Hey guys, and welcome back to the Cheeky Indian. Today we are going to be giving you our lamb burger recipe, spiced, sauced and sizzled to absolute perfection. Don't forget you can catch us on our social media at the Cheeky Indian, and of course we would love you to be part of our family here on YouTube, so hit subscribe if you like what you see and you will be kept up to date with everything we do. Right, I'm ready to cook. Remember, all the ingredients and links are in the description below. Okay, so you're going to need some good quality lamb mince, about 80-20, that's 80% meat, 20% fat, will give you a lovely juicy burger. So far we've added about a quarter cup of chopped coriander, same again of chopped onion, 1 green chilli, and then an inch of ground ginger and 2 garlic cloves, again ground. Use one of these microplanes, it makes it a lot easier if you've got one. Next we're going to put in our spices, so about a quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. And that's it, that's all the ingredients you're going to need for our patty. Let's take a second to recap. So you got the lamb, you got all the fresh herbs and the spices. Perfect, now we're ready to mix. Now everything's in the bowl, we're going to give it a good old mix and then divide our meat into 3 equal parts approximately, and then roll them into balls just like this one. And now it's time for our patties. Flatten them down to about 1 inch thick. They will naturally form a pretty round shape. These look perfect. So what I've done here is I've cut some greaseproof paper and put the burgers on them. We're going to put them in the fridge to chill for half an hour and just firm up nicely. So while our meat's taking a bit of a rest, we'll make our mint yogurt. For this you'll literally just need some plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and there you have it, minted yogurt. For the mango chutney you can make your own, but shop bought is absolutely fine. That's exactly what we've got here. And of course you're going to need some hot sauce. Soon to be burnt lemon juice. Let's get a lemon, cut it in half. We'll show you what to do with it shortly. Right, so the burgers are ready. These are firmed up nicely. Yep, perfect. Time to cook. So I've opted to use my griddle. I love cooking on these. Heat it up, put a little drip of oil in there, and then just slap your burgers in. Same with the lemon, just put it face down to make sure it gets nice and caramelized. So these will take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Flip them after the first 5 minutes and then just let them do their thing. Love burnt lemon. This is going to taste so good. Right, so when you're happy with the way your burgers are cooked, give them a little final sizzle, drop them on a plate and let them rest for a few minutes. They should be lovely and juicy just like this. Every great sizzling plate needs a bit of onion on it, so we've got a nice wedge of onion here, doused it in lemon. Grab your buns and let's move over to the griddle. 2 minutes on each side for the onion, about a minute on each side for the bun. Check out the tan lines on these. Right, let's give it a little bit more sizzle. I don't know about you, but my mouth is watering. So now we've got everything, let's make this burger. Let's kick off with the brioche base and get that mango chutney. Whack on a massive dollop of that. Spread it out nicely. Next is our baby leaf, and then we've got 3 or 4 slices of tomato, a good drizzle of our burnt lemon, and then our rested lamb burger patty. Topped off with our onion wedge and just another little drizzle of the lemon. Next I'm going to put some chopped coriander on here, give it a little bit more freshness. Then grab your mint sauce, put a big fat dollop of that on the lid of your bun, spread it around. And if you're anything like me, you like it spicy, so I'm going to put a little drizzle of hot sauce on here. We're going to use our own tongue-in-cheek hot sauce. Trust me, this sauce works so well with this lamb, it's absolutely perfect. And there you have it, put the lid on, give your buns a good squeeze, and our cheeky Indian lamb burger is ready to eat. Thanks again for watching. Remember to leave your comments below and hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our suggested videos and we will see you on the next one.